If you own a business, you may have heard the name Douglas Schapiro. He's a Florida-based attorney known for filing Americans with Disabilities Act or ADA accessibility lawsuits on behalf of disabled clients. Schapiro and his law group focus on Title III of the ADA, which prohibits discrimination in places of public accommodation. Think retail stores, restaurants, and hotels. His cases often allege that businesses have physical barriers, like non-compliant parking spaces, inaccessible restrooms, or improper ramps that prevent access for people with disabilities. ADA lawsuits have surged in recent years, especially in states like Florida and Texas. The law doesn't allow plaintiffs to collect damages, but it does let them recover attorneys' fees and costs, which drives much of this litigation. If your business receives a complaint from Schapiro or any ADA plaintiff's attorney, don't ignore it. Consult an experienced ADA defense attorney at law offices of Nolan Klein immediately. Document your current accessibility and develop a remediation plan. Proactive compliance is the best way to protect your business from costly legal exposure.